Hey guys, it's Wednesday evening. This is BW and I'm back out in the garage. This is going to be a hodgepodge video. I got a lot of little things I want to get done on the car. I'm going to bring you along for the ride, a punch list if you will. I'm going to get this package tray. I just finished final alignment. I'll show you that. I still got to sand these welds on the channel. I keep putting that off. I even have a couple welds on the front of that rocker on the passenger side I got to sand yet. And we still got to make the welds in the front where the fender used to bolt on. But we're not going to do that till we tilt the front forward. And I started buying some stuff for our next couple videos, and I want to show you the first thing that came. I'm a little excited about it. I hope you guys are too. Stick around and check us out. Okay guys, let's review the punch list and get through it as quickly as we can so we can talk about other things. This is just like a whole bunch of loose ends I really need to get tied up. Alright, so you guys already know about the channel. I keep putting off sanding it. I don't know why. It's only going to take a few minutes, but I got to sand all those welds down, get them cleaned up and ready to go. I also realigned the package tray. When I say realigned, not really. I had to bring the front middle down about a 1/4 inch. It was crowned a little bit, and now it's absolutely perfect. So let me show you that real quick. I just had to take all the tech screws there, and loose, and push it down where I wanted it. It didn't even have to push hard. It kind of relaxed to where it wanted to be. And I screwed it all back together. It's ready to go. It's about 20 after 8. I was gonna go ahead and weld it in tonight, but I'm gonna wait till tomorrow, because when I get rolling, I start making a bunch of noise. That big old compressor starts thumping, and I don't want to disturb the neighbors, not this late in the evening. We'll put it off till tomorrow. I've been tied up a lot helping the wife with the house that her grandfather built. We're restoring it, but you know, we're not straying too far away from the car, and I'm juggling that with a full-time job. So I figured I better get out here, start some content up for this coming weekend, and get stuff going with you guys and let you know what's up. All right, so I'm going to weld that in tomorrow and sand that down. I still have to take the tilt nose forward, and there's like 3 welds where the rocker meets in the front I got to take care of on both sides. And I forgot about it till I opened the door. I never sanded these front welds and treated them with paint when I did this side here. So now I got a little surface rust, so I'll have to dust that off, sand them welds down, and just shoot some paint on there to keep it from surface rusting like that again. So we got to get that done. I also have surface rusts on the bottom welds of the brackets for the back seat. We'll get that all taken care of. This is just a bunch of little whimsical stuff that I've been putting off, but I need to get done. So I'm gonna get it all done in this video. And I started buying stuff to start the engine up. My wiring harness came in, but I'm gonna leave that boxed up for now. I just want to start the engine up, and you don't need all that to start the engine up. So I bought this trigger. It came today, the remote starter switch. So that's the first thing that showed up for that job. I ordered a starter from Speedway. I ordered the Speedway brand. It's a mini, I guess. Hopefully it's all right. They say it'll match what they sold me for the transmission and the flywheel and everything, so it should be fine. I think we're just going to use a jerry can like you guys were telling me to do on the live last week. We're going to do that again this week too. I really like talking to you guys, and you're giving me a lot of great ideas. The only thing I haven't bought yet to get this going is the paint for the header. I was going to build an oven, but if I'm going to start it right up, I can treat it on the car. So I'll paint them, have plastic gloves on, bolt the headers on, and then when I'm ready to start the car, I can treat them that way. I'm just on the fence here. Now, Chevy Ranch was pushing this Zero coat. I guess that's like ceramic coat short for. I haven't even found that on the internet yet. And somebody else mentioned this VHT. So I'm on the fence. I'm going to look at this because I forgot to bring this paper with me today. I'm going to go in the house and I'm going to Google both. And I'm going to figure out what I want to do and which one I'm going to buy. And we're going to take it from there. I'm getting excellent reviews from both. Everybody I talk to, my buds at work and stuff. So we'll see what we buy. It's fine. Whatever we get is going to be just fine and dandy. So that's what we're doing. That's where we're at. I'm going to check back in with you guys tomorrow, and hopefully when I turn the camera on, I'm going to be sitting inside the car with the welder in my hand, and we're going to get through this job. All right, see you tomorrow. Hey guys, it's Thursday evening. It's about 10 to 9. I had to stop for the night, getting a little loud and We stop at 9 o'clock. We had to stop anyway. Man, the humidity says it's 78 in here. It's come down because it was up around 90. I mean, the air is thick. My safety glasses kept fogging over, and I don't want to get stuff in my eye. That's another reason I just said, that's it, I stopped. But we were pushing stuff in, pushing it out because it keeps raining and stop raining. But we got a little bit done. We got the top welds made on all the seat braces. So that's something. We got something done, right? Okay. So we got those welded. I gotta go back and look. Why the heck did I make 3/8 holes? But man, oh man, that is strong. You could pick the car up with these, any 3 of them. I'm not kidding you, man. Wow. But they're in, and we're happy with it. I gotta get in there with a wire wheel and clean up down below. I don't know why I didn't treat them with paint, but now they got surface rust all over them, so we'll get those all taken care of. But anyway, I gotta put a couple holes in this 90 right here, and the exact same thing on the other side, and we gotta weld that. Then I gotta get up in here and I gotta make welds on the bottom of these hinges and get them in. Both sides, inside and outside, front and back. We just gotta put a couple welds, get them nice and tightened up in there. And then we can get rid of those self-tappers that are currently holding it in place. All right, so we'll get that done. And then the package tray will be 100% in. I'm gonna just try to sneak out here at different points during the weekend because I'm gonna be working at that house as well. I'm gonna just go ahead and get this sanded up, get that door jamb over there sanded up. And that's just gonna be here and there work, you know, just get it done and get it over with. I'll show you guys the finished result on that. We'll get to it, but we're working it. Yeah, I gotta figure out what radiator hoses I need because I decided I'm just gonna put the fluid in there. I'll get some 50/50 and seal it up right. It's a lot easier to get a couple radiator hoses and do that than to build an oven box, go get a heat gun and hope it gets hot enough. If we're gonna start this engine in the next couple weeks, we might as well use the engine to treat the headers, don't you think? I couldn't find that Chevy wrench, the Creo coat. Every time I clicked on, I found them, I found the website, but every time I clicked on automotive for the header and I wanted white, it said not available. So I ended up going with the VHT. That's going to be coming in next week. So I got time, that'll be on the next video. We'll sand up the headers and get them ready for paint. And then we'll bolt them onto the motor properly. And then we're just waiting for other parts to come in. And that's when we'll start the engine up. We're going to use the jerry can. We're going to do the whole thing. But that's going to be in a couple weeks, guys. I got to wait for the parts to come in. All right, so that's what I got. That's where we're at. We're working the punch list. I'm hoping to get through it. I'm going to put this video up in Sunday's episode because I'm going to go live tomorrow night. I'm going to do a little bit down that house with the wife, come home, get showered up, come out here and do live. Then I got to work the house again on Saturday, but then I'm going to come out here Saturday evening and I'm going to get some of these welds made and get this thing knocked out, get it going, and then Sunday we'll put the video up for that. All right, so I'll see you guys again tomorrow night. I hope anyway. I hope you guys are enjoying that live as much as me and you join in. All right, hey guys, it's BW. It's Saturday evening, about 10 and 9, and I'm back out here in the garage. I got out here about 5:30. I didn't get as much done as I wanted to, but I did get some work done, and I want to share with you what I did get done. I always have the best intentions in the world of getting a lot of work done, and you know, I just won't do things shoddy, so sometimes it takes longer than I want it to, but that's okay. We made 4 welds, 4 spot welds on this angle piece that's where the pillar attaches to the package tray. We got that done. I don't know why I did it, but I popped 2 holes here and welded the hinge from the top in here. I just got working, guys. I did a couple here too. Don't ask me why I did it. I always like to do them from the bottom, but that's all right. We'll sand them up there. They look all right. I made 4 welds here for the package tray. So now you have the inside quarter to the outside quarter to the package tray. This whole seam through here, the big mystery is done. All right. I had to make a specialty piece. There's like a weird gap here where the channel for the package tray and the quarter meet. Let me show you on the passenger side what I'm talking about, because it's goofy. It's not a great fit. See what I mean? So I had to make like a silly looking piece of metal and put it in there. It's just tacked for now, but we were shaping it. Took a little more than an hour to get, I mean, just shaping it and get it to where it looks half decent, and it does. So we'll get it welded up, and then we'll sand it smooth, and it'll be all right. And I'll just kind of radius this a little bit till it all blends in. It'll be okay. So then we can show you what I did up underneath. And, so we made that weld right there for the front of the hinge. And right here to the back side, we made that backside hinge weld right there. All right. I finally got a chance to attach this inside quarter to the package tray. I missed that second one. I don't know how I missed it, but I did. So I'll climb my head back up in here tomorrow and I'll put a little zapper right there. So we got it. It looks really good. All right. There's where I welded the seat brace to the package tray, but I welded them on the inside, but you can see great penetration, you know. So that's cool. It's all welded up good. Hey, look, there's all the welds we made when we put the inside quarter to the outside quarter in the trunk channel area. That's cool. All right. But that's what we got done today. I mean, that took a little longer than I thought it would, to be quite honest with you. But such is life. We're not going to do a shoddy job. We're going to do a good job, and we're going to get done what we get done. And what we don't get done, we'll save for tomorrow. I really enjoyed talking to everybody on the live last night. We met some new friends, everybody coming in, checking us out. I hope we get even more new friends. Tell people, let them know what we're doing here. Let's get some more people to subscribe to the channel and let's have some fun. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, it's Sunday evening. I guess it's about 7 o'clock. I've been out here about 2.5 hours. I got the passenger side all welded in, same as I did the driver's side yesterday. I figured I'd bring you guys in, show you what's going on, and we'll take it from there. Yeah, I was down there working at that house all morning, so I had a couple hours to sneak out here and get on the car, so I went ahead and did it. I mean, first look at this. I mean, that come out really good, guys. Remember how big that hole was, or whatever you want to call it, the misalignment? We got it all lined up now. It looks really good right in through there. Got that done. Same thing here. We got the inner to the outer to the package tray, so that's all taken care of. We made our welds down through here on this pillar to package tray piece, or whatever you want to call it. And then we did the welds on the hinge. I also did the same thing as yesterday. Up underneath, we got them welds that are hidden back behind. I went ahead and I did that last one that we missed yesterday. You can see I got that. And then I come over here, I did the exact same thing back up in there. We got them all welded in there. I guess I should scrub at them with the scrub brush, get them cleaned up with the wire brush. And then we'll throw a little coat of something on them so they don't rust. But yeah, it's all welded in. It come out pretty good. I still have to grind this channel piece. I was debating whether to do it tonight or put this video up and do it tomorrow. Started a new video because I still have to clean up that passenger side door jamb. I gotta clean up in here. I gotta make the welds in here. I'm just not gonna get it done today, but I want to put some footage up for you guys, let you know what's going on. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. Said the wife gave me a little guff. She wants to watch a TV show in there. We ain't had any quality time since we've both been busy. We're working that house and I'm working on this car, regular job. So I think we're gonna have a little bit of watch some TV time together. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put this video up. I appreciate everybody's support to date. Like I said, I'm really enjoying these live things where we all get to talk to each other. I get to find out what everybody else is working on. We met some new friends. That's really cool. So if you haven't yet, please hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button. Share this. Let's get some more people in here and have some fun with this thing. All right, guys, until next time.